my super babies, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back, that too in 2021. This is the first video I shot, edited, and I'm publishing it also in 2021. Happy New Year, babies. Have a blessed year. We survived 2020. Can you imagine how strong we are? I'm really glad that we were blessed in 2020, and I hope we are blessed in 2021 also. Yeah, we will. We are blessed. We are strong. Yeah, I need to share the kada which I have. Like this whole lockdown, I've been having a kada which my mom has been feeding us every single day. So I just got done with my bath and my skin feels amazing because I applied an amazing pack, and I want to share that with you because it's so freaking good. There are just 2 steps and I want you to follow both the steps, but in case you don't want to follow the second step, it's okay, you will get amazing results still, but I wish you do both the steps because when you do the second step, it's like a bonus point. So yeah, both these steps are amazing to even tone the skin, to lighten the tan, pigmentation, discoloration, acne marks or wound marks or any marks for that matter, and make your skin even tone. If you follow both these steps religiously and you're like consistent with it, you'll love the results. Like, it's really good. Both these steps are amazing to exfoliate the skin, thus reducing blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin, and make your skin amazing. So let's begin. So in the first step, we need 2 teaspoons of Khapli wheat flour. Now Khapli wheat flour is amazing whether intaken or applied externally. It literally even tones the skin. You will see like instant brightness, fatafat. It is so good to cleanse the skin. It's amazing. Super amazing. I like it from this brand. Then you need to add in 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Fresh cream literally again helps to make the skin super soft, supple and amazing. And then you need to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now many of y'all must be super against baking soda, but it suits my skin amazingly and I get amazing results with baking soda. But the thing is, if your skin is wounded, if you have cuts, upcoming pimples, baking soda should be completely avoided. If your skin is free from all this, then you can definitely apply baking soda if it suits you. If it doesn't suit you, do not apply it. Nobody's forcing you. It suits me and I get amazing results with it. So baking soda is my favorite. And then you need to add in enough licorice or muleti water. Yes, this water is amazing. If you haven't made it yet, what are you doing? Licorice water, which is even known as muleti water, is too good for the skin. You need to apply this. So mix all these ingredients super well and then apply it on damp skin. You can apply it on your face, you can apply it on your body, wherever you wish. Give it a nice massage and leave it on your skin for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take a little bit of water, damp your skin, give it another gentle massage for 1 minute and wash it off. After this, you do not need a soap, nothing. Just wash it off. Then take a little bit of apple cider vinegar, say about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and add in a little bit of water, dilute it, and then apply it on your skin again. Leave it on for 1 minute and wash it off. Check out the results. Zabardast. You're not going to regret using these 2 steps. It's really good. Super good. And you're going to stink. There's no body odor. When you wash off the first step, see that you wash it off with warm water. Yes. That's all. So, काश आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई. Hope you like this remedy. Hope you follow these 2 steps and let me know later on what happens, whether it suited you, whether it didn't suit you. I want to know feedbacks, babies. Happy New Year again. I hope this year brings you a lot of whatever you wish. Do whatever you want, babies, but don't triple trouble your parents. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot. And don't forget to hit on that ghanta so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. That means that bell. Don't forget to click on that. And yeah, all my social media links are in the description box. Do check it up. You can check me out on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you later in another video very soon. This bitch just come out. Oh boy.